Okie dokie, we're going to do number 50 on the comprehensive portion of your final exam review. And this is a polar equation that we are going to try to rewrite as a rectangular equation, which means we need to basically manipulate both sides to get rid of the r's and the thetas. Okay? Now that I'm thinking about something. Yeah, no. All right, you do not square both sides. Do not square both sides. I want you to multiply both sides by r. So on the left, r times r is actually r squared. On the right, you get an r times the tangent of theta, but I'm actually going to rewrite it as the sine of theta over the cosine of theta times, and then secant of theta is going to be 1 over cosine of theta. Okay? So you get r squared equals r sine theta over cosine squared theta. I want you to multiply both sides by cosine squared so you can get rid of your fraction on the right side. So r squared times the cosine squared of theta equals r sine theta. And if you remember from your formulas are pretty straightforward. I'll write them up over here. You get x equals r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta, right? And r squared equals x squared plus y squared. You're going to have all those formulas, but those are really the ones that you're working with. And ultimately, you really want the top two. Here's why. I know you're looking at that r squared and thinking, oh, x squared plus y squared, and sure, you can go there and do that, but honestly, if you take your left side and you basically are going to do r times the cosine of theta times r times the cosine of theta, right? And the only reason I'm doing that is because I want you to see that really I'm going to plug in an x times an x, right? And then on the right side, that's just a y. So x times x equals y, or y equals x squared, which is what you needed.